Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive, carrying by Sydney. As you can see, it's a little bit of plastic or rubber there on the corner there, and I've taken the actual coupler off. There's some of the bushing still here, stuck inside here. Look at that, they're all broken in pieces. So there's no need to have that. Put it away. We're just gonna reuse the boot. But we're going to get a new coupler to actually fit to this one here. So let's have a look at that. What is that? It doesn't really matter. Okay, that's all done. So now I'm going to get the little Storm Ski racing one I use. Here it is. This is the little Storm Ski racing one I've been using over the years. Nice and direct. No play whatsoever. So if you're wondering, you can get it from Storm Ski Racing. It's a precision shift coupler. You can buy it from the internet. It's based in the USA. Very good man to deal with, very helpful as well. I am buying some tools off him as well towards the end of this year. But here it is. Here's the little guy. It's a big difference, new design, much better than the factory one, like I said before. I'm going to install this one, which pretty much just gonna go. The hardest thing is the adjustments, because you gotta try to adjust it to suit, but once you get it right, it's beautiful. So it just goes like that. That's the locking pin. It goes through the hole there, and then this one has to go in here like that. That's got to go in there. Sort of sit like that. Alright, I'll finish the installation and I'll do the adjustment, and then I'll show it properly in the next video. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.